The Shoemaker and the Elves. A shoemaker named Bert lived with his wife Margaret. They were very poor. One day, Bert had no material to make shoes. But when they woke up the next day, they found a shining pair of beautiful shoes. They wondered as to whom had made them. A man bought them. The next morning, Bert saw another pair of new shining shoes. The couple decided to keep a watch that night to find out who the shoemaker was. At midnight, they saw two elves making shoes for them. The couple was shocked. Christmas was around the corner. They decided to make new clothes for them to thank them. On Christmas Eve, the elves came and saw the beautiful tiny clothes. The elves were so happy with the new clothes that they sang and danced all night. They now knew that Bert the shoemaker and his wife no longer needed the help. So they went away to help someone else in need. The Christmas Trees. One Christmas Eve, the trees in a certain wood were very unhappy. They wished to become Christmas trees, but they did not know how to do so. They felt that they were old and bare. One tree sighed and said, "If only we were green, then we would be decorated for Christmas." Hearing them, the north wind told them to go off to sleep. So the trees dropped off to sleep one by one, while a little star twinkled quietly above. As they slept, something magical happened. Someone cast a spell on them. They were very beautiful. The trees felt that perhaps the north wind had, during the night, cast over each of them a spell to make them beautiful. The trees were very happy. They shouted happily, "How beautiful we are! Now we will be decorated for Christmas." And indeed, they were decorated while the north wind smiled away. Reindeers to the rescue. Once there lived a family of polar bears: Mother Bear, Father Bear, and Baby Bear. Father Bear and the Baby Bear were out playing one day when suddenly there was a fierce snowstorm. So terrible it was that the Baby Bear got separated from Father Bear. Father Bear was devastated. He did not know what to do. Suddenly, he thought of Santa. He called Santa right away for help. He knew that Santa found little boys and girls all over the world. In turn, Santa called his reindeers for help. The reindeers found the baby bear. He was cold and scared, but once he saw the reindeers, he jumped for joy. The reindeer team informed Santa that they had found the baby bear. Santa gave Father Bear the news. He was overjoyed. He thanked Santa for his help. Everyone was very happy. The father bear hugged the baby bear happily. Sharing with friends. After a hard day's work, the elves decided to go ice skating. Everyone was having a wonderful time except Todd. He tried to skate, but he kept falling. He watched Dinah spin as she skated. The next day, the elves went sledding. "This is great fun!" exclaimed Todd happily. But Dinah stood sadly and watched. Todd realized that Dinah did not know how to sled and was scared. Todd said, "I think I know what to do. I have an idea that might help her. And it might help me too." So, Todd went to Dinah and said, "Dinah, I have an idea. Since I'm good at sledding, I will teach you how to sled. And then afterwards, you can teach me how to ice skates, since you are good at skating." Dinah smiled and said, "Each one of us has something special. But it becomes more special when we share it with our friends."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.